Good morning and welcome to the channel. Today we are solving under root x plus 3 plus under root x minus 3 upon under root x plus 3 minus under root x minus 3. Okay, to solve this we will multiply and divide the expression with the denominator conjugate, and we can write the expression as x plus 3 under root plus x minus 3 under root upon x plus 3 under root minus x minus 3 under root. Now we multiply and divide this with the conjugate of denominator, that is x plus 3 plus x minus 3 and x plus 3 plus x minus 3. Now we know that a square minus b square is equals to a plus b into a minus b, and we know that a minus a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now if we see the denominator, so we can see this is under root x plus 3 plus under root x minus 3, and that is the whole square of a plus b, right? And over here we can see this is a minus b, a plus b, so we replace the denominator with a square minus b square, so the expression will look like x plus 3 under root whole square, this is a square, plus 2 x plus 3 under root a, x minus 3 under root, this is b, plus x minus 3 under root b square, right? In the denominator we can write as x plus 3 under root whole square, it's a square, minus x minus 3 under root whole square, it's b square. Now it will be x plus 3 plus 2 into under root x plus 3 into x minus 3 plus x minus 3. This square cancels out the square root, and now we have the denominator. This square will be cancelled out with the square root, this square will be cancelled out with this square root, so we can write it x plus 3 minus x plus 3. So now this 3 will be cancelled out with this 3, and this x will be cancelled out with this x, and we'll be having 2x plus 2. Now this is again a square minus b square, so we can write it x square minus square of 3 is 3 3s are 9, right? So we can write it as 3 plus 3 is 6. So finally we take the common factor, which is 2, and 2 upon 6 is x plus under root x square minus 9 divided by 3.